Kumana na ungumania uria utheremete honge-ini itiganite thirikari-ini, munene wa aruti wira wa muingi thirikari-ini FELIX KOSKEI augite aruti wira wa muingi maigana ona ni marikitie kwandikithia riboti na kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC amwe na ruhonge rwa DCI nacio accounts cia bengi iria ciikiriirwo nganja ni ciambite kuhingwo kwa ihinda.
DCI has also been firmly asked to move in and take any necessary investigations whenever there are issues. Also, courts have been requested to ensure that issues corruption, matters corruption, cases corruption, allegations, the rest are expedited in hearing.
Akiaria hindi ya kigamano kia atumia kigie uguri wa indo mwena wa Naivasha, KOSKEI ni oritie ruhonge rwa magoti rutithiririe haro-ini no na muno makiria honge-ini cia uguri wa indo na gutengeria mashira makonainie na ungumania.
If you don't explain where you got one asset or the other, it will be frozen and it will be taken away and you will be liable for prosecution.
Oho KOSKEI no eranire thirikari ni kwambiriria kuriha mathiri maria itarihite kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe ukite, wona kamiti ya guthurima marihi maria matarihitwo yarikia mutaratara wa gukindira uma wa marihi macio.
They are now sitting and analyzing and categorizing, and their direction or their terms of reference are very clear. You analyze, satisfy yourself that the procurement process that ended up in this bill was followed, was lawful.
Ihinda-ini o riu mutari wa president maundu megie ihoto cia atumia Harriet Chigai niakuranite ciiko cia kunyamario kimwiri na wagi wa kigina ta mamwe ma moritu maria atumia mageragira ruhonge-ini rwa uguri wa indo no na gukiri uguo KOSKEI nieranire thirikari ni ihotorete kunyitirira atumia ruhonge-ini ruru.
Know that sexual harassment is one of the barriers that many women entrepreneurs face. I also know that access to credit, access to finance is also a hindrance when it comes to procurement and access to finance. I'm here to tell you that on the platform on which we stand, it is my job to sound the alarm.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.